super excited to have you all here. Super excited to meet in person one day when we're allowed. Let's make most out of this week together, being remote.
We want to give back to our communities and contribute to a better world.
Will the workplace actually look like in 5 to 10 years?
Creating an entire world where teams can create together seamlessly, regardless of location.
Open your eyes to a different way of thinking. Don't get distracted by the doubters.
To create inclusion, you have to listen like you're wrong.
Being able just to get together in those virtual spaces, replicate the messiness of work.
You don't make any excuses. You protect everyone on the team, and you always do your best.
I'm super excited about the opportunity to build a company that can be behind all positive changes in the world. How about you?